Alright, here's a quick and easy video how to reset your engine oil light on your 2019, 2018, 2020, maybe 2017 F350s, XLT Superduties. First thing you need to do is close the door, key on, engine off. It's all the way forward before he cranks over. Engine oil required. You're just going to hit OK. So then you're going to come down and hit over on the left arrow until you see settings. Go down to settings, go to advanced settings, go to vehicle, and then your oil life reset's going to be right there. Hit oil life reset, hold OK. Boom. Oil life is changed. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. Also, there's other ways you can adjust some things in here: wiper controls, door locks, alarm system, some other little stuff that you might not have noticed before. That's just one of the super easy things that you could do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll be releasing some more. Thank you. Bye.